Man, lock up then, man. So dog there, I would feel like they want to run out. Brother from watch the bike yesterday. They are just a corner way. But I don't put soup already. Smell the broth. I heard that horn. Yo, them dog. You can't know when they want to make a fire, you know. I'll be a style, you a style. Whoa! Jesus Christ, man. Oh! It's for the whole brake and you brake before you reach the corner. You brake in at the corner and you say about to stop. can do, dog? Man like him want overtake Panda bumper corner. I realize I turned, boy. You know what's the indicator? Eh? You don't see this? You don't see this? I'm blind? Eh? Most blind. When I put on your foot and go around the car. In a situation like this where you're riding with a non-experienced biker, it's best for you, the experienced one, to stay in front so that them can follow your line. I mean, it would be good for them to be ahead as well so you can see what they're doing, but just to be safe, stay in front and you set the pace so they can follow. And you can alert them of any hazard ahead, any danger, you know, anything ahead. He's there and everything is alright. As the more experienced rider, I mean, I go speed off and leave him. Alright, that no make no sense. You have to maintain the pace. Keep a pace where him can, you see me? Keep a pace where him can maintain without putting himself in danger. So like when we have it straight away, we squeeze to make him know, say yeah, him can squeeze too. But on the curvy roads, just take time and go easy. Whenever you're riding with a, well, beginner or, you know, somebody who's new to the road, I always brief them on the road, like what you're gonna do, you know, whenever you reach a certain part. You know, for instance, when you're reaching out the traffic, it's good to just stay at least 2 seconds behind each other, so if anything happens to me, they have time to move out of the way, right? But don't stay too far and don't be too close to the fact that if you have to pull a sudden stop, then now go get no time to move out of the way. So we are going to approach some traffic soon. So we'll go on the outside of the vehicles and we'll just take a little time, shadow brake. And we'll look ahead. Slow down. Around a corner. We'll just coast the bike down. No need to be revving and everything. Just coast the bike. Yo, I squeeze me down, squeeze off, you know. I wonder how big I look pan. Me not stop you so usually, you know, brother. Because when I come down, I normally just coast it and watch it light. So by the time I reach it, it turn green. That I normally do. Ready? Smooth pan the brake, my youth. Yeah. So now we are going to approach some traffic. Everything is he's not new to bikes, you know. He's just used to riding big bikes and probably don't have that much experience in the traffic. So, you know, even though he's totally not a beginner, it's still good to kind of, not really say treat him like one, but you know, so far. I'm scared to reach the Where traffic feel? The traffic. It will get worse long so. Bike can probably want oily night. That's how you get them feel so. You get them feel tough. What? Come over. Oh, boy, dog. Yo, lose control of my car. I'll tell you what you're good for. Oi. If you... Yo. You see like all that? Just join the clutch and just coast the bike. And put on your 2 foot if you have to. Eh? Yo, me say the bus also catch me off guard. Cause me that go through it and then me say no, I have to go left. I turn left past South Avenue and go. Eh? Yeah. It hard to change. Probably want oil, yeah. I just started riding. my mentor or would I say my biking partner. You see me? Boy, Chaz Brothers, big up yourself. You know the thing go. So me and him used to journey a morning time, and you know, he used to show me the ropes and so forth. You take it, brother, because I don't want to take it and then you go, sir. Yeah, so my riding, brethren, we used to journey a morning time, and you see, because of how him ride, follow him lead, and that helped me to become a better biker as it is. Whoa. So it's good when you just start off and you have a thing there. It's a lot like a yeah? Yeah, angle it so far though. I gear it in, huh? Alright, go on. Oh, never another twist, so. Another twist, you're free. With South Camp Road there. You know, I can't take Oxford Road and go straight down. Whoa. I don't know why they forgive my broke stoplight, you know. But like me not teach them proper. slow down, slow down. Slow down, make them go on. Bike stall. Yeah, the fact that you're not used to them small bike, yeah. Acha, slow down. Brother, but I think so too, you have the green. Well, I think so too, you have the green. Them